Hello guys, welcome back to part 5 of this system.io tutorial for beginners. Now in the previous videos, I have shown you how to set up your custom domain and also how to introduce your personalized email address in system.io. And at the same time, I have shown you how to build a squeeze page. And in the last video, I have shown you how to build a bridge page using system.io. Now, if you have not watched all these videos and you want to learn it, then you can always check the links in the description box below. Now, in this particular video, I'm going to talk about another topic which is called email marketing using system.io. And I'm going to discuss about email automation in this particular video. So let's get straight to system.io dashboard. Now, this is the system.io dashboard. And if you've not got your free account for system.io, you can always check my affiliate link in the description box below. So once in the dashboard, you can always go to automations and click on the workflows. It's empty. So we can just go and click on the create button over here and create workflow. Now you have to give a name to this email automation sequence. So I'm just going to give it as 7 days email sequence. Click on save. So now you can see this new email automation has been created. Now you can click on this 7 days email sequence. So here you can see this 7 days email sequence and it is showing as paused. And you can go and click on this create your first trigger. So you just click on this create your first trigger. Now we have to select on what condition this email automation has to be triggered. So whether when a tag is added, tag is nothing but list. So tag removed, funnel form subscribed, blog page form subscribed, campaign completed, webinar registration. We have many triggers that can be used and automated using system.io. And these are completely advanced features over here and you can always use in your business. And especially if you're an online business owner, then system.io has superb features for email automations. Now, when you go above, for this case, I'm just going to use when a funnel form subscribe. Now, so once a person subscribes to our squeeze page, so I'm just going to select the squeeze page. So YouTube tutorial is the sales funnel that we have created, and under that we have the squeeze page and the bridge page created. So I'm just going to click on this YouTube tutorial, and under that we have to select the page. So I'm just going to click on the squeeze page. So click on create. So once a person subscribes to the squeeze page, enters the details, then this email will be automatically triggered. Now we have to just click on this plus button over here. And what kind of step would you like to add? Action, decision, delete. Now we have to perform an action. So we're going to send an email. So send an email to a contact. Send email to specific address. So we are going to select send an email. So here we have to select if there is any email. So since there are no emails created, say there are no options, you can just go and click on the create a new one. And I'm just going to type it as test1, or I'm just going to type it as welcome email. So then click on save and edit email. Now you can see this subject line as welcome email, and here you can enter if you want any preview text to be added, and here the body content. So I'm just going to say that, hey friend, welcome to my VIP circle, something like that. And here is the bonus. Here is the bonus as promised. So I'm just going to provide the bonus over here. And next, talk soon, Mano. So let's just highlight this whole thing and insert the link. So you can just highlight this, bold it, underline, and just click on this link and you can insert the bonus. Now this bonus can be in a Google Drive document. So you can always copy the Google Drive link and paste it over here. And then you can click on this tick button. So once it is done, then you have inserted the link to your bonus. And then after that, you can always highlight this whole thing and then increase the font size. So you can go over here and change the size to 18, which is the most desired. So it looks big, bold, and better for the reader. And next, if you go to the right, you can see the email settings, and here is the sender name, Manogar, and the sender email address. Now, this is the sender email address which we have verified in the earlier video. Now, if you have not watched the video, you can always refer to the video on the top of your screen. You can always learn how to set up your custom domain and also how to enter your personalized email address in system.io. Now, after that, you can always click on the save. Now this welcome email has been added to this. Now next is we have to click on this plus button, and what will be the delay for the second email message. So I'm just going to give a delay of, for example, I'm just going to give a delay of 1 day, and you can also maybe enter hours or minutes or exact date to when the second email will be sent after the first email. So I'm just going to create it as 1 day for this case. So the second email will be sent after this email has been sent, exactly after 1 day. So I'm just going to click on this plus button, click on action. So send action is I'm going to send an email again. So send an email, and already there is a welcome email. I'm not going to use this welcome email. I'm just going to create a new one, and I'm just going to enter it as test and click on save and edit email. So the subject is test. And now here, hey, thank you for joining the VIP circle. Now I'm just going to send them straight to an affiliate offer. So what you can see that, check this new method that is generating thousands for the newbies. So you can highlight this whole section and click on bold, underline, and click on this link and enter your affiliate link. If you're an affiliate marketer or if you're an online business owner, then you can always enter your own product or service and then click on the save button. And after that, you can just talk soon, Mano. Now you can just change this, remove this bold, underline, yeah. And you can increase the font size over here. Just go over here and click on 18, which is the desired one. And after that, you can click on the save button. So this is how you have created a sequence. This is the first email, and after a delay of 1 day, the second email will be sent. Now the first email will be sent exactly once the person enters their email address in the squeeze page. So you can always click on the plus button again, and you can add a wait of 1 day delay, and then you can create your third email, and so on till you create 7 days of your email sequence. So once done, you can click on the exit button over here, and you can see the status as inactive. Now you have to make it active. Just go over here and click on this 3 dot and activate. So click on confirm. Yeah, this workflow was activated. So that's how you create an email automation. In system.io. Now, email automations are a very good way to build your passive income, and you can just build up an entire sequence of 30 days or 90 days. And I have seen online entrepreneurs and affiliate marketers building 90-day sequence, even 365-day sequence, and sending emails day in, day out, and really making big money out of their email list. So in the next tutorial video, I'm going to share with you how to build an email broadcast in system.io. So please stay tuned, and if you really like my content, I would request you to hit the subscribe button below and also hit the bell icon so that you get the very first notification whenever I upload my videos. So until then, bye.